You are now watching Doorbell News.
Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Check her out. Riverdale, Georgia. Anybody missing a unicorn? Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Check this guy out. Looks like a chase is going on. So this delivery lady sees a package that the UPS guy just dropped off. Wetumpka, Alabama. Looks like he's trying to jimmy the Ring doorbell off. Hey, leave my camera alone, buddy. So this delivery lady grabs the package and takes off. Riverdale, Georgia. Alameda, California. Better have that Second Amendment ready. Looks like these guys are trying to jimmy their way inside of a business. Meanwhile in Milwaukee, looks like an officer's at somebody's door.
Police!
Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, better have that Second Amendment ready. I don't know what this guy's up to, but I don't like it. Valley Stream, New York. Looks like we got a doorknob wiggler here. Meanwhile in Milwaukee, rain, sleet, or snow. Better grab those packages, 'cause they're out here working. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. A man will spy with what looks like an AR-15 in his hand. Clinton, Mississippi. Looks like we have an ambitious cat here. Atlanta, Georgia. I don't think that's paint on that guy's hand. Atlanta, Georgia. Another man is seen on Ring doorbell with a pistol.
Real? Where? Oh, shit. I'm gonna make them people sub. I don't know where you at.
It's making me mad.
Take a picture of all that.
Unfortunately for this neighbor, looks like someone tried to take her car.
Close the door. Well, at least so I can see the window real quick. Yeah. Open it.
Yeah, better have that Second Amendment ready. Chula Vista, California. Check this guy out.
Me. Huh? Hector.
What? Hector? I don't know no Hector. Get lost!
Who are you? Good.
St. Louis, Missouri. Apparently, this lady's neighbor dropped a glass plate, and she wants them to clean it up. Let's see what happens.
Welcome. This is Alexa. May I know the purpose of your visit?
Andy, come down here and clean up this plate. Ow, glass. God damn it. Shit.
Yeah, Andy.
Welcome.
You need to come down and clean up your mess.
May I know the purpose of your visit?
Yes, get down here and clean up this glass, this dish you broke.
I can inform the resident. What is your name?
Her neighbor.
Sorry, I cannot help you with that. I can take a message or assist with package delivery.
Andy, get down here. Get down here now.
Sorry, I cannot help you with that. I can take a message or assist with
Andy,
package
get down here
delivery. What do you
now.
want to do?
These slivers are all over here and the dogs are going to cut their feet.
Meanwhile, in Milwaukee.
Hey, I can't take my brother. I can't take my brother.
Who are you? You got the wrong house on me. I'll call the cops right now. Cops are on their way.
We got a snooper here.
Hey, you looking for somebody? I'm looking for I'm seeing out that voice. I'm sorry, sir. I heard it in the back. I heard it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, whatever you say. Get lost!
Sorry, I cannot help you with that.
Get down here now.
Yeah, Andy. Come clean up your glass,
What do
buddy.
you want to do?
Now, Andy, now.
Yeah.
Sorry, I cannot help you
The
with that.
glass is all over this area. You know the dogs play here.
What do you want?
Yeah, Andy, you know the dogs play here.
I want you to get Andy down here.
I can inform the resident.
We'll inform her now.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
What do you want to do?
I want you to tell Andy to get down here.
Make sure you check out the Doorbell News store at doorbellnews.com.
I can take a message or assist with package delivery. What do you want to do? Sorry, I cannot help you with that. I can take a message or assist with package delivery. What do you want to do? Sorry, I cannot help you with that. I can take a message or assist with package delivery. What do you want to do? Fuck yourself.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.